My name is Tom Kyle. I'm the Executive Director of Holiday House of Manitowoc County Incorporated. The mission of Holiday House is to provide dignity and respect for individuals with disabilities. The focus ought to be on abilities of people and not disabilities, and that's one of the things that we try to do is we try to showcase those abilities that people have and demonstrate, help them demonstrate that they can do many, many things. Being a private not-for-profit organization, obviously we don't have excess dollars to spend on things, and we'd have to be we have to look at cost, but we also have to look at quality. And we feel that the machine that we have now fits both of those bills. It's a very functional ice machine, very reliable ice machine, doesn't have a ton of whistles and bells, but that's not something that we're looking for. We're just looking for an ice supply to be available for our participants here and also our staff. The Koolaire machine has been, again, a workhorse. It's been a very easy to use, functional machine that is meeting all our needs. And we've had zero problems with it. And again, looking at the track record of machines from Manitowoc Ice, I would expect that that'll be the case for a long time to come. In terms of the noise level, it is quiet, and that's important in there. We have some other equipment in there, vending machines, those kinds of things, and a lot of times we're in there and have to make presentations, and if there's machinery in the background, it makes making those presentations more difficult. The only thing I'd like to add is how much I value and how much we here at Holiday House value working with Manitowoc Ice and the Manitowoc Company in general.